Well, you know something, Mike?
What, Travis?
Instead of you being a truck driver, we might as well just hire you as a full-time polisher.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Are you getting tired of the camera?
My fingers, my joints can't take it anymore.
They can't take it anymore?
No.
Are you getting tired of the camera?
Yes. Less camera, more help.
I can't win.
Less camera, more help.
I am working. I have checked the air in them tires, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, see?
No, actually, I checked the air in the tires.
I just moved it back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you checked the air in the tires.
And I cleaned the cab floor.
Okay.
I cleaned the cab floor.
Alright.
I degreased the loader yesterday.
No. Today. So you checked the air in the tires.
Yeah.
And you cleaned the cab floor.
Yeah.
It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
It took you 4 hours to do that.
Well, I
You
didn't
hear me, folks? 4 hours to do a 20-minute job.
I didn't get started right at 7 like you.
Okay.
I was doing other important things like
So if it was 8 o'clock, it's 3 hours.
I was doing other important things yesterday, like said this morning, like bedding barns, making sure waters were not frozen, putting fuel in your turbo heater so that you can stay nice and comfortably warm.
So I can cook all day long.
Do I?
Pardon me. Pardon me, young man.
Well, now since we got that cab all clean, we need to rewash this bucket or wipe the mud off of it so that way we can paint the rusted spots to try and keep it from rusting any further. Geez, Mike, we need to keep a grease gun away from a certain guy. We need to keep a grease gun away from a certain guy around here.
Who's that?
All I know is he likes to over-grease stuff. And I wouldn't be having to do this. Right?
I can't hear a word you're saying.
Nobody can hear me. All that grease, it's gonna come out. Ugh. All done, huh?
All done.
Dang. That don't look bad at all. Now on to farm stuff.
Damn camera.
I didn't clean the inside because this is facing.
I'm just messing with you.
I know.
That's the inside cover.
I know. You're supposed to do air conditioners too? I've never done this tractor, so it's better off.
You never what?
I've never done the AC components on this tractor. As far as the filters,
I haven't done them either.
no.
I'm just guessing.
Let me get you that other box. I'm guessing it's the long square box, probably, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, grab me one of the long ones.
There's two long boxes here. Is it
Grab me one of the long ones.
one of the long one? Whatever C414 is. I'm guessing that's probably a part number. C414. Yeah, this looks like the right one for you.
Well, I know it's the right one. Your dad's no dummy, you know.
That one looks a little dirty. Ew. Oh, that's where these wing nuts are. Oh. Well, this one here, the front one, Mike, it wasn't even tight. It was kind of just sitting up there wagging its tail.
Okay.
Did the wing nuts on your side, did they just kind of stay with the cover?
Yeah, they all stay with the cover.
Okay. I wasn't sure what I was getting myself into. This is actually pretty easy. Huh. And then there's two other wing nuts on the inside. Do they gotta come out too?
They'll stay with the holder.
Well, then how do you get your filter out?
I'll get it.
Well,
I don't want you flipping that thing around.
you don't want me making a bunch of dust, huh? What you gotta do? Loosen these and take the holder out? Huh?
Yeah.
That's kinda dumb.
This is fucking stupid.
Then the filter went. In like this. Oh. Oh. Nope, I got it right. Oh. You're right, Mike. This is a pain in the ass. How in the world are you supposed to fucking push on these damn screws? Okay, there. I got mine started, Mike, if you want me to give you a hand. Oh, you horse shit. Damn it. Stupid fucking pain in the ass. Jesus Christ. Huh? No, just being a pain in the dick. This is why I just let somebody else do it. Because I get mad too easy. Am I right?
Get this thing butt-ass dirty.
Well, I'm sorry I can't. I got a frickin' stand in my head to put the dang thing up in there. I get aggravated because people can do a job so much quicker than I can. You know what I mean? What do you think? Just maybe a little brake clean? Or maybe this super clean up here? Okay. Okay. I was gonna use your nice clean bumper to set it on.
Yeah, go ahead.
But then you would skin me alive.
Yeah, I can straight over.
Yep, you would.
And I'd go home.
Yeah, you would go home. Why don't we have no water? Oh, there's little valves there for that splitter, Mike.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
Okay. What's that?
I didn't know city, whatever it is.
A city it? See, this was left, right? You don't know? Okay. You want to let them dry until we'll come back after lunch and put them back in?
Yeah, they're gonna have to dry.
I wouldn't put them up against a nice clean filter with them being wet. You just asking for problems doing it that way. So here's something I didn't know about this loader. So you got grease fit in here. And then you got boom, ba-boom. 2 more right there. Okay. But why? I have no clue. I don't have no clue. Oh my goodness. Why didn't anybody ever tell me that there were grease fittings right there? Huh. My eyes hurt looking at that.
Good.
Ouch.
He's doing his job.
I'm gonna have to go get my sunglasses. I'll admit, you do good work, Mike. You make my eyes hurt. Ouch. I got mad at him because, well, when I went in to look at the clock and see what time it was, he thought it would be funny to splatter my nice clean windows. I mean, look at that. It just... Why me? I guess I shouldn't have cleaned the windows.
That'll be easier to clean. I don't know. 6 of one, half dozen the other.
I mean, I should have just left him alone.
Yeah, leave me alone.
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
No, I should have just left the windows alone.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
gotcha.
Uh-huh.
Now what do I do?
Don't fall down.
It's a pain in the butt.
What isn't? The combine is done. Time to put it away. So I'm gonna bring the combine over. We've got that all done up. We can put away. Need to open this door so that way we can bring the combine in here, shove it all the way up in the front where it belongs. And he'll be over here momentarily. We have some rodent activity I see walking through here. But hey, it is what it is. That 2388 makes a heck of a racket without a muffler. I can tell that he is on the big path there. He just made the turn and now he is headed this way. That's what happens when you don't have when you have equipment that does not have a muffler, is you can hear it from miles and miles away. There it comes. Not too many people get to see the combine out in the snow. Sure is a pretty sight though. At least I think it is. Dump truck all done. He's gonna take it back through the back way, and he wants that 7810 plugged in right quick. Well, we got everything all put to bed. All of our dump trucks are home. They are, well, except for truck 23, that is actually still broken. Okay. We got the combine shoved up front there. And then we got this automatic right up in front of the door here to go right out the door. Everything is home where it should be. Or I should say, everything is put away where it should be, out of the elements. So we will join back up with you guys in the next video.